Hello friends, today we like to learn how we can design factorial program in C. First we see the logic and then we implement it. So let's start. In logic, first of all, we have to ask user to enter a number. Let the number given by user is stored in variable n. Identity value for product is 1. That is, whenever we multiply a number say I with 1, we get I. So we take a variable x and initialize it to 1 to store value of factorial. Then we have to perform a loop from 1 to n, since factor of n is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 up to n terms. So here I am using a variable I to perform loop from 1 to n. I am leaving this space to write some extra logic during the program, and the formula is x is equal to x into I. That means every time multiply I with the previous value of x. And finally, when loop completes, we display the result, which is stored in variable x. Now, how it works? First, we ask user to enter number. Let user entered n4. As per step second, initially x is 1. Then we have to perform a loop from 1 to n. So we are performing loop from 1 to n. And every time we have to check whether I is less than equal to n or not. So up to 4 it is true, but when I reaches to 5 the condition will becomes false. And every time we are performing x equal to x into I, and then increasing value of I by 1. So first time I is 1, x is also 1. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. Value of I becomes 2. So 1 into 2 becomes 2. Next time value of I is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. Next time value of I is 4. So 6 into 4 is 24. But when I reaches to 5, condition becomes false, so loop stops. But when loop stops, the value of x is 24, which is the factor of 4. Now we are going to design the program. I am using code blocks, but you can also use turbo compiler. First of all, I am declaring a variable n and asking user to enter a number. So this is our step 1. As per step 2, we have to take a variable x with initial value 1. I am using double data type so that we can calculate factor of some large number. Now I have to perform a loop from 1 to n. This is our step 3. I am leaving some space for extra logic. And then we have to apply the formula x equal to x into I. Now when loop completes, we have to show the result. Factorial equal to %lf. lf is format specified double data type. Now the program is ready. Save it, compile it, and when compilation completes, just run it. Now we have to enter number, say 4. The result is factorial equal to 24.6 times 0. Now we do not like to display 0.0000, so we can use 0.0lf so that decimal place will not appear. Again compile the code. Once compilation completes, execute it. say 5. Now we are getting factor equal to 120, means no decimal places. Now I have to display output like this: 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 24. For that, I have to introduce some extra logic. I am writing printf %d cross, and here I am displaying value of I. And finally, I have to use backslash slash b. Now see how it works. Now compilation completes, we can execute it. Now enter number 4. If you can see, we are getting 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 24. Now we have to understand use of slash b. To understand it, I am removing slash b. Again compiling it. Now compilation is over. We can execute it. And now enter number, say 5. Now if you can see, this cross is not removed, but when we are using slash b, this will get removed. So friends, you have seen how we can design factorial program in C. Thanks friends.